Societygenie simplifies premium laundry and home services in Bengaluru. You'll see how to sign in, select services, and complete an order efficiently. Click Sign In to proceed to the login page and access your account. Click your email address to choose the account for signing in. Enter your email address in the email field to identify your account. Click the password field to input your login credentials securely. Enter your password to authenticate your account. Click Sign In to log into your Societygenie account and access services. Click Services to view the full list of laundry and home service offerings. Click Book Service to start scheduling your preferred laundry or home service. Click here to choose the ironing-only service option for your laundry needs. Click here to add specific items for ironing to your service cart. Click here to modify the quantity of items requiring ironing. Click here to confirm your selected ironing items before proceeding. Click here to review all items added to your ironing service cart. Click Review Cart to verify your selected services and quantities before checkout. Click Sobhadreamacres, Bengaluru to select your service delivery address. Click the Ironing Service Summary to check itemized pricing and quantities. Click Today, April 3rd to choose the date for your laundry service. Click 6 p.m. to set the preferred time for your service pickup or delivery. Click Payment Method Cash on Delivery, Pay Online to choose how you want to pay. Click Pay Online to proceed with digital payment options for your order. Click Place Order to finalize your service booking and confirm your request. Click UPI to choose Unified Payments Interface as your payment method. Enter your UPI ID to authorize the payment securely. Click your bank account identifier to confirm the payment source. Enter your UPI handle to complete the payment details. Click the bank domain to verify your payment account. Click Verify and Pay to process your payment and confirm the order. Click Ironing Only to review your completed order details in My Orders. This demo showcased how Societygenie streamlines premium laundry services from sign-in to order placement.